मेरा लव का फंडा ये है कि लव सिंपल होना चाहिए. हमने आई थिंक उसको बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दिया है.
इतना भी आसान नहीं है जितना तुम्हें लगता है.
I remember I was in Delhi. It was Holi का दिन था जिस दिन we were shooting. I saw her and I was like mesmerized. I was like, how beautiful is this woman? And to watch her perform in front of your own eyes, it was just amazing.
I think Sushant and Jacqueline were the first stars I met in my life. Also Sushant also being an outsider, coming from nowhere, so he's always been an example. So it was very motivating to actually be awarded by him. I get bored very easily. Once I pick up anything, I like to kind of do it to the fullest. और एक ऐसी चीज़ जो मुझे नहीं आती है वो है swimming.
पानी से डर लगता है?
अरे इसीलिए डूब के मर गया था ना मैं गहराइयाँ में.
स्टार्स एक्सप्रेस.
कितने लोग जल रहे होंगे कि मैं इन दोनों के साथ बैठी हूँ, उनके दिल एक्स्ट्रा धड़क रहे होंगे बिकॉज बोथ दीज पीपल आर यूनिक इन देयर ओन क्राफ्ट्स. बट इफ आई हैव टू स्टार्ट विद अ जेंटलमैन, आई नो एवरीवन स्टार्ट्स विद अ लेडी फर्स्ट. हालांकि आपने मेरे लकीली लॉकडाउन को बहुत खूबसूरत बना दिया कि कला के साथ. बट वेलकम टू दैट. फर्स्टली आई वांट टू टेल यू कि आप क्या है वो जो नहीं कर सकते, है ना? लाइक द लिस्ट इज नेवर एंडिंग. व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन विद यू?
मतलब ऐसा क्या कर दिया मैंने?
अब क्या कर दिया?
अब क्या कर दिया मैंने ऐसा?
क्या है जो आप नहीं कर सकते? जब देखो कभी ये कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पे कुछ लिख रहे हैं, कहाँ पे कुछ वर्कआउट हो रहा है, यू आर अनस्टॉपेबल. ये एक बचपन से कीड़ा था, क्या है ये सिद्धांत के अंदर कि यू हैव दिस फोर्स दैट कीप्स रीइन्वेंटिंग द न्यूनेस इन एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग. हर इंसान में होता है पर वो निकालते नहीं है.
I think because I get bored very easily.
I was just gonna say.
Yeah, that's why I keep trying different things, and once I pick up anything, I like to kind of do it to the fullest of it. So I think ये है कि मैं बोर जल्दी होता हूँ. और एक ऐसी चीज़ जो मुझे नहीं आती है वो है स्विमिंग.
नहीं आती?
नहीं आती मुझे.
पानी से डर लगता है?
अरे इसीलिए डूब के मर गया था ना मैं गहराइयाँ में.
Very bad joke, Siddhant.
No, but honestly, is there something new you're doing अभी as we speak? कुछ हो रहा है आपके यहाँ पे? अभी आप बोर होके कुछ नया शुरू कर चुके हो?
फिलहाल तो हाँ मतलब कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है, लेकिन वो अगली फिल्म के लिए भी है. तो कई बार फिल्में भी मौका देती हैं आपको नई नई चीज़ें करने का. तो अब फिलहाल I get paid to kill my boredom, so I'm happy.
There you are.
Yeah.
And coming to you, I have to say कि आपकी मस्ती ऑनलाइन इतनी ज़्यादा दिखती है और फिर फिल्मों में आप सीरियस हो गए थे. And this one's really taking us in this मतलब धड़क वाले मोड में, कभी ऊपर नीचे. What is the true तृप्ति? कौन है? मतलब वो मस्ती वाली तृप्ति है जो YouTube के वीडियोस में बहुत मस्ती कर रही थी, कौन है वो?
I think दोनों हैं. वो भी मैं हूँ और ये भी. सीरियस सीन्स जब मैं करती हूँ, that is also me. This is a question for my friends, and Siddhant will be able to say, what do you feel?
Who is she? I think
तारीफ कर.
तारीफ कर बोल रही है. अरे I think she is very fun, very chill, very fun to hang out with. Intensity wise, I've seen her in scenes when I was shooting for her in one of the scenes, and I was just in like seconds she was. I mean उसके पहले मस्ती कर रही थी. जैसे ही action was, suddenly she just went into the zone and she was so good that I had like tears in my eyes. And she kept doing that repeatedly, again and again, and I was like, wow, this is like, she's I think got a lot of depth. At the same time, I think the more people they have depth in them, the more fun they are, I feel. Instead of the other way around. I think funny people are the more like
Hurt ones.
Hurt and more sad ones, they try to. So I think she is very sad.
मैंने तुझे बोला था तारीफ कर.
तारीफ ही कर रहा हूँ. I
She's my
said
sad
no,
person.
I didn't say sad. I said depth. She has a lot of depth. That's why and.
तृप्ति क्या गम है जो छुपा रही हो? ऐसा कुछ है?
ऐसा कोई गम नहीं है. I'm very happy.
नहीं, कोई गम तो
very,
नहीं है.
very,
बहुत खुश है ये.
Blessed.
Depth है, depth.
And I think the fact that Dhadak 2 is taking off from a Dhadak 1, and we get that fear, right? हमको ऐसे लग रहा है कि कहाँ जा रही है. आपके तो ईशान इतने अच्छे बड़ी भी हैं. उन्होंने कुछ आपको क्यों दिया था? जब इसका टाइटल पढ़ा, and like.
नहीं मतलब उससे he was very happy. I remember met him at a screening and I didn't know what this film was called till then. And he's like, oh, you're doing Dhadak 2. I was like, oh no, oh what? He's like, yeah, it's like, whoa. So we're like that. We are very lame boys. So yeah, we had a lot of fun with that. But obviously he was like, अच्छा मुझे बता. He didn't know the script. So I was like, अब मैं नहीं बताऊँ. अब तो तुझे ये चीज़ मैं तुझे
देखनी
बताऊँ.
पड़ेगी.
Both of you have challenged yourselves well enough and surprised us every time जब आप स्क्रीन पे आते हो. लेकिन खुद के लिए धड़क 2 में क्या चैलेंजिंग था? Start with you, Shrimpi. कि इस कैरेक्टर में कुछ ऐसा था that as an actor you found yourself again, ऐसा था कुछ?
I think she's very different from me as a person, which I found very challenging at first. But I think shoot करते ना I got comfortable with Vidhi and I thought maybe I should be like her. You know, why am I not like this person who can speak freely, who's not afraid of anyone, who speaks the truth even when it's difficult. And you know, I have not done that growing up. I would keep quiet, I would not indulge in arguments. She's taking everything up. She's like, I'm not going to sit piche and listen to people talk bad about anyone. And she's very brave. She's got this fire inside her, and I feel she's just taught me a lot. And मुझे यही लगा कि काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला उससे as a person. And शुरू में challenging था of course because you know थोड़ा ज़्यादा मुझसे active है वो. But by the end of it, I was more like her.
फिर आपका उल्टा हो गया है. Like
Yeah.
यहाँ पे she said that her character had too much energy about her. आपका उल्टा है, आपका बहुत energy है and you seem to have toned down completely for this character. कितना observe किया, क्या किया, कहाँ किस zone में गए उसे कि अच्छा अब मुझे ये बनना है?
As much as I would want to sound pseudo and serious about how I do it, how did I like get into that? I think it's all to do with my director.
जी.
I just listened to her, whatever the requirement of the script was. She directed me, and she directed me very well. I feel she really pushed me to, you know, extract the intensity, you know, the therav in the performance. So I think the whole credit goes to her. I feel, and obviously my co-actors who were so like we were so in sync. Co-actors, I said. Of course, we were so in sync that you know it's always easier to kind of bounce off and feel comfortable around that person when you have that trust. So I think it's all of that. You know, I think film कभी भी एक अच्छी film कभी भी एक इंसान से नहीं बनती. I think everybody has to come together with the same intent and with the same intensity. And right from the producers to the mic dada to everybody is I think responsible for whatever the way I look, you know, and the way I have performed, you know. So it's nothing which I have done. I always give 100% in every film, you know. But
क्योंकि आप शब्दों वाले इंसान हैं और इसमें बहुत सुंदर ये जो लाइन विद द टाइटल जो है, यू नो इफ यू गेट अ चांस तो लड़ना. ये लाइफ का एक लड़ाई जो आपको लगता है कि आपने लड़ी एंड इट हेल्प्ड यू अ लॉट कम वेयर यू आर आपके इस सफ़र में.
आई थिंक अपने सपनों के लिए लड़ना, जो कि आई थिंक सभी करते हैं. मैं भी लड़ा, मैंने आई डिडंट गिव अप. आई वांटेड टू बी एन एक्टर एंड here I am. It's all because I did not give up that time. It's so easy to give up when you're young, when you're like you're hearing 100 things around you, you know, so many advices, but you still kind of believe in yourself and go through those rejections and not give up. I think that's where I fought for my dreams. And
you know the beautiful post that you put and it really made me connect to you completely is जब आप डांस कर रहे थे सुशांत सिंह के साथ स्टेज पे और आपने कहा आपके पेरेंट्स ने कहा बेटा अब तो हीरो बन जाओ. It was such a sweet moment of your life. You want to tell us कि how did that moment redefine your faith in the fact कि आपका सपना होने वाला है?
देखिए उसके पहले सीए कर रहा था मैं, तो इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था. काफ़ी इंट्रोवर्ट, यू नो, क्योंकि क्लासेस में बैठना 12-12 घंटे, फिर बीकॉम साथ में चल रहा था, आईपीसीसी और वो. ये एक इवेंट आया कॉलेज में, मैंने सोचा पार्टिसिपेट कर लेता हूँ. डांस वांस का शौक था ही बचपन से, सो आई मेड माई ओन लाइक मिक्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड आई कोरियोग्राफ माई सेल्फ एंड आई वेंट ऑन द स्टेज. हैड ज़ीरो होप्स कि मैं जीतूँगा बिकॉज देयर वर बॉयज़ हु कम्पीटिंग जो कि कॉलेज में ही कुछ नहीं करते हैं, बस अच्छे दिखते थे और दिन भर मतलब अपने पे ही ध्यान देते थे. बट मेरा ध्यान कहीं और था. सो मैं क्लासेस छोड़ के फिर इसे पार्टिसिपेट करने आया इसमें.
So CA was complete acting.
वाओ, very well. So Yeah, then I just participated in that and I got selected in, and finally when I reached that big stage, I think Sushant and Jacqueline were the first stars I met in my life. No, actually Mukesh Khanna was the first star I met. I remember him at the petrol pump, Shaktiman dekhta tha main, so I went up to him and I said, sir. So anyway, so yeah, so Sushant and Jacqueline, I met them and I was like, and I won, and they, were there on the stage with me, and they kind of awarded me, and they were the ones who chose me. So it felt for my parents and me that maybe that I have something in me. So I think that gave me the confidence, and my parents also the confidence that I can pursue this. Also Sushant also being an outsider, coming from nowhere, so he's always been an example. So it was very motivating to actually be awarded by him and Jacqueline as well. So yeah, that actually kickstarted my confidence.
Beautiful story. Tripti, आपके लिए what was that encouraging moment? इनके दिलों में extra धड़कने आ गई because he knew कि अब तो मेरा chance है. आपके लिए क्या?
I think for me it was the time when I was moving to Bombay for work, and I had nothing on me, no projects, no money, no place to stay, and I had to literally fight with my parents because they were of course concerned that why are you going to another city with,
Nothing.
There's no one there who knows us, we can't even ask someone to, help you out because we don't know anyone. And they were completely against it, but I'm just very, very glad that I didn't listen to anyone and I just ran away. And I said, I have to do this, I have this one life and I have to try it for myself and see it if this is for me or not.
And Mom was your first film.
Mom was my first film. I
imagine you started with Sri Devi. Like she is my...
I remember I was in Delhi. It was Holi ka din tha, jis din we were shooting. And I saw her and I was like mesmerized. I was like, how beautiful is this woman? And just to watch her perform in front of your own eyes, it was just amazing. And that's when I was like, I have to do this. I have to be acting. There's no other way. There's nothing else that I want to do.
I'm going to quickly take you through a round of धड़क. मुझे ऐसे लगता है as artists बहुत प्यारी चीजें होती हैं हमारे साथ जिससे हमारी दिलों की धड़कनें रेस होती है as opposed to our fans. Okay, so give me a fan moment आप दोनों के लिए जहाँ पे it made you feel धड़क, that is so cool. How nice, a धड़क moment. Fan moment.
धड़क moment, nice.
Fan moment as in where you...
आपके लिए या जहाँ fan ने they said something to you and you felt...
I think they always have such beautiful things to say, yeah, wherever you go. There was a little girl who would come to me and she, I think, wanted to be an actor, and she was like, I feel inspired when I see you on screen. And she's from Uttarakhand too, again from a conservative background. And so I think that made me feel very happy because I could put myself in her shoes, and I was like, I was this girl once and now, she's looking up to me. So it was a special, special feeling.
Oh, lovely. See?
I love it when when people know the dialogues of my film. Yeah, and especially with my first film, Gully Boy. So that line was so inspiring. That bouquet of Pakkad artist. And when these little kids come to me and they say that's my line bolta hu wo, and they remember my whole rap song. Bhag Bhag Aaya Sher, and they're dancing in birthday parties and all of that. So I really like, and that makes me feel very fulfilled.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Yeah. Maybe a call from a director कि you're confirmed for a movie. कौन सा था आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा धड़कने वाला?
बहुत ज़्यादा धड़कने वाला. I think जब मुझे लैला मजनू मिली थी, of course, it was a big deal for me. To be working in a film like that. I had auditioned twice for the same film. एक बार reject हो गई थी, दूसरी बार selection हुआ था और workshops शुरू हो गए थे, but I was not confirmed. So every day I would go there and be like, I have to be the best. I have to just give my 100% because I wanted to be selected for the film. And the day I got a call that I am on, I was crying happy tears.
आपके लिए से?
Zoya. I remember that morning. She called me after I had auditioned and met her at the party 2 days back. And I just had one day to audition. I somehow just wrote some random rap and auditioned. And I remember she called me and I woke up with that call and she's like, listen, I'm sending you the script. And I was like, my God. Yes. स्क्रिप्ट क्या पूरी स्क्रिप्ट
Something that your parents said, especially for you, I would think, more than even him, जिससे दिल बहुत धड़का.
See, they don't say anything to me, but behind my back, they're always praising me.
अरे वाह.
And I keep hearing stories from my sister and my brother how they just don't stop talking about me when I'm not there, and when there are relatives at home, they just watch all my interviews, which is so embarrassing because it's happened also when I was there, and I was like, please don't do this. This is very embarrassing. But it's something that they love doing, and that just shows how proud they are. And you know, I always wanted to make them proud, and I think that has finally happened. So fingers crossed to that.
सर आपके पेरेंट्स से कुछ कहा था जिससे दिल धड़का?
मेरी तारीफ तो कभी नहीं करते हैं मेरे
I
आगे
think that's every parent. They will never.
तारीफ तो नहीं करते बट वो दिख जाता है द वे दे लव एंड शो दे केयर
जी.
ऐसा कुछ कहा कि दिल धड़का वो यूजुअली तो कुछ और कितने मार्क्स आए दिखाओ बचपन में बहुत धड़कता था उससे दिल कहाँ चोट लगी है दिखाओ क्योंकि उसके बाद तो और चपेट पड़ती थी थोड़ी ना क्या अरे ओ ये चोट लगी कैसे लगी फाम क्यों लगी क्यों कूदे वहाँ से.
Since you're a lines person, I want to know धड़क में कुछ लाइनें जो आपके दिल को बहुत छुई, and people are going to now watch it on screen, but I'd like to play this जब मूवी रिलीज होगी क्योंकि आप लाइंस में बहुत ज़्यादा फील लेते हो.
जी तो मोनोलॉग ही बोल दूँ क्या पूरा? आई थिंक इस मरने और लड़ने में बहुत खूबसूरत लाइन है जाकिर साहब की है वो यही है जो मरने और लड़ने में से को चुनना हो तो लड़ना. ये आई थिंक ये लाइन रेजोनेट्स विद आई थिंक एवरीवन एंड बहुत मतलब that's a very turning point in the film as well. So I think this line, I would say.
You know, the man who makes us fall in love with movies all over again, and I'm so grateful to Karan to entertain us in every possible way. चाहे वो उनके Instagram posts हो या जो भी करते हैं. And here he is presenting these really serious cinema and then again giving us such great talent, and then we complain about what kind of people he supports. You want to say something about Karan? मुझे तो बहुत प्यार है उन पे. आप दोनों बताइए.
I think he's a brilliant producer. You know, he experiments a lot, which is beautiful to see. And I think he's always backed his actors. You know, even with
the directors, but he is the best producer to one of the best producers to work with. This is my second collaboration with him after Gehraiyan. I had the best time there with Shakun because he equips the film with everything that they want. With Shakun, with Shazia. And that's when you make films which touch your heart because when the directors and the technicians and the actors are able to do what they were instead of a producer being on their head. It's not that he really I think he loves cinema. And he fearlessly, as she said, that experiments, keeps trying to push the boundary.
And he listens.
Yeah, and he listens to everything. Everyone.
But it's all about loving his parents, was what he said at one point. But right now, it's all about loving the way they're loving each other in the film. You want to tell us something, a line about love from Dhadak 2? अगर कोई एक ऐसा फंडा है जाने से पहले सब लोग जो love stories को बहुत love करते हैं, आपका love का फंडा क्या है?
मेरा love का फंडा ये है कि love simple होना चाहिए. हमने I think उसको बहुत complicate कर दिया है. It's in the
इन्हीं की line है ना वो.
कौन सी?
कि उतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है.
इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है जितना
तुम्हें लगता है.
बस प्यार होना चाहिए.
So
that is what love for me is. बस होना चाहिए. बाकी you figure it out. You know, if you truly love something or someone, no problem can come in the way. I feel no problem is bigger than your love.
अरे वाह, आपके लिए?
जी यही वाली लाइन है मेरे लिए. इसके पहले वाली. कि इतना भी आसान नहीं है जितना तुम्हें लगता है.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
होश में आओ.
तो ये है. आई थिंक मेरी लाइन तो वो है. आई थिंक हर लड़का ये रेजोनेट इतना भी आसान नहीं है जितना लगता है.
और आपके अंदर का पोएट आपके टूटे हुए मजनू दिल से आता है कि?
अरे मजनू दिल क्या है मेरा? देखा
Sit chats, city chats.
मजनू दिल लैला
Thank you guys. Dhadak 2 is really giving us palpitation in
Thank you.
advance. So I hope it's going to make people fall in love with both of you all over again.
Yes.
Because finally we're seeing you in a beautiful romantic film. It's beautiful.
you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Radio City. Radio City. Radio City. Radio City. रग रग में दौड़े सिटी